Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to get access of SEC network TV on your YouTube TV, then this video is for you. First, you just need to log into your YouTube TV. Then make sure that you have purchased a premium version or premium plan or paid plan of your YouTube TV. So starting with base plan, if you select the base plan here, then actually here you will find more than 160 channels. So in this list you can find the SEC network included. So if you have purchased the base plan of YouTube TV, then you can enjoy SEC network. So the only way that is you have to pay for the base plan like $59.99 per month, and you can easily access or enjoy the SEC network. Otherwise, you can go to ESPN and you can just get the subscription and get the access of ESPN network, and you can actually enjoy an SEC network from your ESPN. So from here you have to create an account and you have to pay for that subscription here. Then you can search for SEC network and you can easily get that. You can just search for like SEC network, just like this. You have to search for it, not like this. Here you can find something, or you can search for SEC network in or on ESPN. Then here it is. In ESPN Plus, you can just enjoy the SEC network. So it's pretty simple. So also all of these you have to just purchase the best plan and you can enjoy the SEC network on your YouTube TV. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.